Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We discussed socialization and its importance in the last video. In this video, we will learn how a child is socialized and what the agents are that help in socialization of an individual. Any behavior, customs, activities that help an individual to be socialized are called the means and mediums of socialization. The agents of socialization can be grouped as primary agents and secondary agents of socialization. So today we are going to discuss about those agents, primary agents and secondary agents of socialization. Primary agents of socialization ma ke parcha, secondary agents haru ke hun, we will discuss. Okay, so number 1 is primary agent of socialization. Okay, the means and mediums that help an individual to be socialized in informal ways, like the means and mediums that help an individual to be socialized in informal ways are known as primary agents of socialization. Primary socialization for a children is important for all future socialization. It means हामी त्यस्तो कुराहरु सिक्छौं जुन without going school or giving any test or exams. Now, the things which we learn, त्यो चाहिँ primary agents भयो. Like primary socialization occurs when a child learn attitudes, values and actions appropriate to individuals as members of a particular culture. Just like we learn to greet our elders, we learn our culture, traditions, language. त्यो चाहिँ के भयो? Primary agents बाट सिक्ने भयो. जस्तै from our family, our peer groups or neighbors, friends, or different ceremonies. जस्तै it is mainly influenced by the immediate family and friends. जस्तै हामी imitate गर्छौं नि हैन, जस्तै नक्कल गरेर अरूको नक्कल गरेर हामीले केही कुराहरु सिकिरहेको हुन्छौं. It means we learn language or culture or traditions through family and friends and neighbors. Okay, so the agents of primary socializations are family and peer groups, neighbors and relatives, and different ceremonies like marriage, local fairs, festivals, celebrations, etc. जस्तै हामीले हाम्रो celebration जस्तै हाम्रो festival celebrate गर्छौं हैन, different social activities मा we participate, त्यहाँबाट के गर्छौं, through which we learn different things. त्यो चाहिँ के भयो? They are primary agents of socialization. Okay, so among primary agents of socialization, family is the center of a child's life. Means हामी के भन्छौं, our home is our first school. हैन, हामी केही कुरा नयाँ सिकिरहेका हुन्छौं भने पहिलो सिक्ने ठाउँ चाहिँ हाम्रो घर हो. So family members, yes, they are the center of child's life, and as infants are totally dependent on others and learn the values and attitudes about themselves and others. Means उनीहरुले के गर्छ, हामीले we learn to greet our elders or loving our juniors, helping in our family members or family work, त्यो पनि के हो त द्याट इज अल्सो ए प्रोसेस अफ लर्निङ सो त्यो पनि एउटा सोशलाइजेसन हो त्यो चाहिँ कहाँबाट सिक्छौँ हामीले फ्यामिलीबाट सो होम इज आवर फर्स्ट स्कुल यस देन चिल्ड्रेन learn from the environment that the adults create हैन त हाम्रो एडल्ट्सहरूले हामीभन्दा ठुलो मानिसहरूले हामीभन्दा ठुलो फ्यामिली मेम्बर्सहरूले क्रिएट गरेको इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा वी ग्रो अप सो चिल्ड्रेन बिकेम कन्सियस अफ देयर सोसल क्लास एन्ड स्टेटस एकर्डिङ टु देयर फ्यामिली एन्ड फ्रेन्ड्स जस्तै उनीहरूको फ्यामिलीमा कस्तो कन्डिसन छ कस्तो सिचुएसन छ त्यही अनुसार नै के हुन्छ एउटा चाइल्ड ग्रोन अप हुन्छ अनि त्यो चाइल्डले के सिक्छ आफ्नो फ्यामिलीबाट आफ्नो कल्चरल भ्याल्युज रेस्पेक्ट यस द्याट इज दे आर प्राइमेरी एजेन्ट्स अफ सोशलाइजेसन मिन्स वी लर्न इन्फर्मल नलेज हैन इन्फर्मल नलेजहरू लिन्छौँ विदाउट गोइङ स्कुल अर गिभिङ एक्जाम त्यो चाहिँ के भयो प्राइमेरी एजेन्ट्स अफ सोशलाइजेसन द फर्स्ट थिङ विच वी लर्न फ्रम आवर फ्यामिली or friends or our neighborhood or neighbors and relatives. So and children, yes, they have peer groups, and the members of like peer groups means the group having similar interest, social position and age. जस्तै हामीले साथी भन्छौं नि हाम्रो friends, yes, peer groups बाट पनि के गर्ने रहेछ, we learn different things. Then this is where children can escape supervision by the adults and learn to develop relationship on their own. जस्तै उनीहरू आफ्नो साथीहरूबाट पनि केही कुराहरू सिकिरहेका हुन्छन् हैन, जस्तै रिलेशनशिपलाई बिल्ड अप गर्नको लागि हो, without supervision of elders. And it mainly occurs during adolescence, but it affects short term interest. यो चाहिँ केही short term को लागि मात्र हैन, जब एउटा इन्फान्ट एउटा चाइल्ड ग्रोन अप हुँदै जान्छ एडल्ट नहुन्जेलसम्मको हैन, त्यो स्टेपमा चाहिँ a child learn different things from his friends or peer groups. त्यहाँ पनि के भयो, primary agents of socialization. So primary things हैन, first things that we learn हैन, जस्तै बोल्न सिक्छौं हामीले, हिँड्न सिक्छौं, we adopt with our culture given by our parents. त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ हामीले के सिक्ने भयो, we learn different things every day, and त्यो चाहिँ के भयो, primary agents of socialization. Similarly, second one is secondary agents of socialization. Okay, so secondary sources or agents refers to the formal process of learning. Yes, what is appropriate behavior, and as a member of the group within the larger society. Yes, and secondary agents take place out of the home. Yes, हामीले जुन अघि घरमा सिक्ने भनेको थियो, home is our first school. Yes, हाम्रो family, peer groups, neighbors भन्ने हामीले primary agents मा पढ्यौं. So अब secondary agents चाहिँ के हो त, school or educational institutes. Yes, then political parties or institutions. Yes, mass media, जस्तै means of communication हरु धेरै छन् हैन, mass media, television, radio, newspaper, through which we learn different things. न्यूज हरु पढ्न सक्छौं हामीले, न्यूज हरु थाहा पाउन सक्छौं. सो त्यो चाहिँ के भयो, they are secondary agents of socialization. Okay, like clubs, yes, like child club or mothers group. Yes, they are the agents, secondary agents of socialization. And religious and cultural institutions like temples, monasteries, etc. Then economic system or organizations like bank, yes, or professional groups like business, trade, etc. They are secondary agents of socialization. So yes, our linguistic or cultural groups, yes, mass media, agi bhanisake मैले, radio, television, yes, newspaper, through which we learn different things. So they are secondary agents of socialization. जस्तै हामी स्कुल जान्छौँ, we attend classes, we attend our exam, yes, test दिन्छौँ, we evaluate ourselves and we learn new things every day in class. अनि त्यस्तै हाम्रो साथीहरूसँग सिक्छौँ. They are secondary agents of socialization. It means the secondary agents take place out of the home. घरभन्दा बाहिर सिक्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ के भयो? Secondary agents of socialization. So in this way people become socialized through various mediums. जस्तै family, peer groups, neighbors, relatives, yes, different social activities or ceremonies, or through educational institutions, yes, school, colleges, and mass media like radio, television, and other groups. त्योबाट के गर्ने भयो? A man, yes, is a social animal, right? So we learn different things every day. मैले socialization को definition मा पनि भनेको थिएँ, के थियो? It's a lifelong learning process. So we human are social animals, right? We need society to survive. We need each other's help, and we need community, yes, to live. So we need society. So we are social animals, social being. We are social being, and we should live in harmony, yes, in the society, like to fulfill our needs, basic needs, and to develop our society. So we learn every day different things and through different mediums, and those mediums are known as agents of, or means and mediums of socialization. This is the primary agents and secondary agents. So that is why socialization, yes, like we participate in our social activities, isn't it? And to develop our society, active people's participation huna zaruri cha. So there should be social participation, yes, and it is a backbone of socialization, you know? Social participation, yes, is the backbone of socialization. हामीले every day नयाँ कुरा सिक्ने मौका पाउँछौँ. So that is why socialization is considered as the main basis of social development and social transformation. जस्तै हाम्रो social transformation हेर्नुस् त, त्यही ह्युमन्सहरूले सिकेको भएर त अहिले के भयो? Our human society, yes, developed into modern society. Yes, जुन प्रिमिटिभ सोसाइटी थियो स्टोन एजबाट अहिले के भएको छ? ट्रान्सफर्म भएको छ. सो सोशल ट्रान्सफर्मेसनको लागि के चाहिन्छ? सोशलाइजेसन चाहिन्छ. अनि सोशलाइजेसनका देयर आर डिफरेन्ट मिन्स एन्ड मिडियम्स थ्रु विच एन इन्डिभिजुअल सोशलाइज्ड, yes, and adapt within the society, yes, adapt cultures, traditions, yes, and can live harmonious life. Okay, these are the means and mediums of socialization. Okay, we will meet in another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.